मैं ना हर बार सोचती हूँ what is an apt way to start a video, लेकिन I've figured there is no apt way. So if this is the very first video that you're watching, then hi, this is Jainee Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, you will find एकदम real, relatable and wearable styling ideas जो आप अपने day to day life में use कर सकते हैं. So ton of you on Instagram keep on telling me that you don't wear crop tops and shorts और फिर summer में क्या करे या cruise vacation पे क्या करे, and then you know that you feel कि यार this is important. तो आज का video is on modest summer outfit ideas. Let's start with shorts. Summer and shorts बहुत synonymous है ना, मतलब summer है तो shorts पहनने हैं. However, if you are someone जिसे shorts पहनना पसंद नहीं है and you're just wearing because you know it's in और friends बोल रहे हैं, then you don't have to wear shorts. If you, however, want to wear shorts and you're confused कि कौन से shorts will look good on you, तो Instagram पे I can't add a link on YouTube, but go to my Instagram and I have this whole shorts for different body types that you can go through that. And here are my ideas that you can do if you don't want to wear shorts.
Flipping your shorts with loose denim is a great style to be modest during summers. बहुत गर्म भी नहीं लगेगा because it's loose denims. It's the same top that I'm wearing with the shorts, and you can see that the same top with denims and shorts looks well, so you don't have to be like rigid कि shorts पहनना compulsory है. Now this is the loose shirt or loose pant, right? अगर you want to add a little bit of structure तो full tuck मत करना, half tuck करना. मैंने same shorts में भी किया है और इसमें भी कर रही हूँ. I'm just tucking the front part to add a little structure to it. These loose denims, mid-waist loose denims are perfect for all body types and they are nice and loose. Summer है तो you obviously have to add fun accessories. In this case I've done like great sliders और मैंने ये fancy colourful earrings डाले हैं for fun, just to add a bit of you know that all color. ये रहा half tuck for you to see. Okay, another style are these paperbag loose pants, jogger style pants hai, and I've done this in colorful, so you know green, brown, you can do purple and pink and tie and dye, itne style aate hain for summer. And I've done simple white t-shirt, obviously adding some accessory. This is not necessary, I just love accessory. Now these are called paperbag styles because ये waist दिख रहा है, it's actually like a paperback को जैसे हम hold करते हैं. That's why they are called paperback styles. If you have a very heavy midriff, this paperback style won't work क्योंकि फिर वो midriff पे attention जाती है. When you wear a paperback style, it will become absolutely important for you tuck in, वरना that whole crumple up on the midriff won't look nice. So you will have to always tuck in when you buy a paperback style. But I love this also, switching regular blue denims with you know this green denims. They are loose, they are not very tight and apt for summer. Okay, if you are someone जिसे denims नहीं पसंद, then these loose kind of pants are also nice. इसमें सिर्फ ये ध्यान रखना कि if you're not doing short top and if you're not doing it properly, तो ये ना pajama pants लगने के बहुत chances है, like the nightwear pajamas. Hence, always have a very chic, smart blouse on, sleeves वाला, बिना sleeves वाला, whatever your preference is. And I have obviously added a necklace to it, a hustle to it actually. ये evenings के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे हैं because print है, and you know when evenings are also very hot, then these loose pants work very well. वापस बोल रही हूँ, because they are loose, you need to style it well, वरना they can look like night pajamas which you don't want. This is another style, loose denims and a t-shirt tucked in. ये एक पुराने बोहो वाले वीडियो से मैंने क्लिप ली है to show you. And this one is absolutely loose. They are not denim pants, they just look like denim, but they are cotton and it has been given a denim finish. और मैंने एक loose shirt पहना है. I don't like tucking in too much during casual summers. Yeah, you know, just going for brunch and all. कि मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत formal हो जाएगा. So I want to do fun, easy-going looks during summer. So loose pants, 100%. Whether I'm going with in-laws, family, या friends, and I want to be modest. And you know summer है, pick up that shirt, an oversized white shirt, irrespective of what your body shape is. Pick up that oversized white shirt, wear it. अगर आपको fitted pants पसंद है तो उसके साथ, या you wear it with loose denims and it looks nice.
Next comes comes mini skirts, fitted skirts. अब summer है तो loose things are in. मतलब उतनी ही चिप में why would you want to wear fitted dresses and fitted skirts? So these are some of my options to wear gorgeous A-line flowy skirts and gorgeous oversized dresses.
The day you will discover the joy of A-line midi skirts, you won't go back to any other skirt for summers. I love midi skirts. I've done a video on 3 midi skirts and now 9 outfits. And I also think I have a video either on Instagram or on YouTube. I'll add a link here, which is how to pick the right midi skirt for you. In this one, I've done this flowy midi skirt with a white t-shirt. You can pick up a brighter color. If you like sleeveless tops, you can do that. And if you want like a total modest, तो ये भी चलेगा. Adding this hat as an accessory and long earrings. The next is fantastic midi dresses, again A-line. इन्हें मैंने belt से add किया है accessory. It's not compulsory. The full sleeves, the length, everything apt for summer and modest enough. Again, kaftan dresses work very well. मेरा थोड़ा fancy kaftan dress है, but you can do like a simple cotton kaftan dress and it works absolutely well for summers. A loose pajama and kurta screams summer. उसमें भी if you have a white kurta and white pajama तो I don't have a white kurta right now, but I have done this yellow and white. You can do your white and white. It's gonna look amazing. कितनी बार मैं amazing बोलती हूँ ना? In this one particularly, I've done a formal look for summer, and you can do a casual, formal, whichever look you want.
Alright, tell me quickly which one was your favorite look. My favorite look is definitely loose denims and top. मतलब for so long I have been wearing these fitted denims और मुझे लगता है यार loose denims पहले से आने चाहिए थे. So that's my absolute favorite look. Let me know what do you think, and if you want styling ideas to how to style loose denims, I'm adding a video here. बाकी सारे links over the course of video है ही. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, all jing bang, because I'm telling you again, ये मैं हर video में बोलने वाली हूँ. Every single like, comment, share, subscribe, everything counts, and I absolutely enjoy reading your comments. If you have any more video ideas, then please write in the comment section below. It's nice if I can create videos that you are looking for. And if you're someone who loves to wear off-shoulder dresses and singlets and everything and you're confused what bra to wear, I'm adding the link here. You can go through that. So till I see you next time, bye-bye.